back, everybody. Today I'm going to show you in 5 steps how to get this red lip golden eyed look. So first things first, I'm going to curl my lashes. I'm going to dunk a spoolie into this Essence I Love Extreme Mascara. Essence are my favorite. What I like about putting a spoolie in, other than hygiene, even though this is my own mascara, what I like is that you get a lightly coated spoolie as opposed to what's in the tube. So you can deposit a much finer layer. So my end ones, just getting better at making them go up. Today is better than yesterday, and next time will be better still. Just roll your wand, slowly blink into it, pushing back against the eyelid. And right at the end, you can work on those tips. Positively Erin Parsons. A little bit on the under eye too. And now I'm going to take an empty one and just comb it out. I like to pinch my last lashes together with a tweezer. I rather like that effect. Okay, let's get our red lipstick on. So that is Nars Don't Stop. It's an epic red. Here we go. You can see a faint outline because I've already done it once and I forgot to record. Always go from the inside out. I don't know how many artists out there, but I like to treat lipstick like acrylic paint. So remember to go, wow, wow. And you'll be able to check your shade. You can watch it. There's an entire video about that. Check out that red. Okay, now let's fill out the lips. To the edges. Okay, I'm gonna stop there, otherwise we'll be here till dawn. I'm gonna take a tiny tap of that red and very lightly bring it into my cheeks. So that's step number 3. So you've done your lashes, you've done your brows, you've done your lips, and you pull that into your cheeks. Be subtle. I always take face powder. This is just a bright infallible. This is beige. It's going to brighten that, and this will also make it a little bit more pastel and believable. So we've done step 1 lashes, step 2 brows, step 3 lips, and drag that into the cheeks. Now the last step is putting a beautiful gold eyeshadow / highlighter. So I'm going to use Tom Ford Skin Illuminating Powder Duo in Incandescent number 7, and this gold is going to take it on my fingertip, and I'm simply going to press it on the inside of my eye here. So immediately start to bring everything together. Can you see the color story? Boom. I'm going to take that same color, concentrating it here, but just really gently, then I'm going to pat it on my eyelid. Nothing too much. Same for the other side. Just lightly stroke it onto your eyelids till you get to the point where it's just pretty soft. Just going to pump up that inner V again. See how that becomes the perfect offset to the red? Your inner V does a lot of the talking in this makeup. Is giving your big eye statement. And then I would just take a brush into that same gold, the gold, tiny taps, and I would just go into my sort of contour area with that. Make it more gold. You see this? So we've done lashes step 1, brows step 2, lips and cheeks step 3, gold eyeshadow step 4. So now the last thing you want to do is bring in some camel color. I have one of those little mini theBalm. It's called Smoke Balm, but in it, it's got this very nice camel color. It's an eyeshadow, but I'm going to use it sparingly to just warm up my face. The camel will make things look really sophisticated. And I would also run that camel just a little bit along the socket line with no great perfection. And now with your face powder brush, just soften and blend. There you go. So that's your 5-step red lip look. Tell me that isn't simple, that isn't easy, and that isn't effective. I hope you found that useful. Please subscribe and like, and do leave us some requests in the comments below so we can make videos just for you. Thank you so much, guys.